Hello everyone, welcome back to my lair. This is Jim Castor, KF4LYE, here at the Ham Radio Lab. On this episode, I think I finally got it. The Windows install on the Dell from hell. Alright, first thing I ended up doing, figured out, even in YouTube, it matters how you search for a subject. Originally started searching Windows 11, won't see the drive or can't see the drive, and the videos that I got back were not that productive. I tried a few of them, they didn't work, and finally searched Windows 11 can't see the driver, and it popped up a couple of videos. It was just a little bit different than the others. I even looked on Dell's YouTube channel, and they showed how to go through it, and I was thinking I did all that and it just didn't work. But what returned was a couple of options, and I tried one and it seems to work. I stopped it before it started uploading so we could do the video. Alright, what I ended up doing. Alright, I downloaded the package or software from Dell, but ended up it's the same package that we had on the Intel website. For the rapid, and this is showing, daggone, I didn't want to get that far into it on that. Okay, search for Intel Rapid Storage Technology Driver Installation. No, I didn't want that website. Well, it takes you straight to the latest download. Go into Support, Download Center, Memory and Storage, and you scroll down towards the bottom, and you'll notice you've got, for the different generations of the Intel lineup. This is 8th and 9th, this is 11th through 13th, and the one that I got off of the Dell website was the 11 through 13. You download that. I took it from a download file, and saved it on my C drive, made a temp directory, ran it from there, and running it from there, instead of installing, I'd put in extract and created the drivers folder to store everything in, the whole package. Took that to my Windows install disk, there it is, and here's the whole package. Anyways, it's under production, Windows, that number, drivers, and VMD. So we get to reboot this, and I saw that it brought up a drive. So I'm going to now reboot this. And go back into my boot directory through the F12 key. Let me get a better angle on this. Okay, yeah, I know it puts the camera in front of my face, but allows you to see what's on the screen somewhat. Anyways, go to Kingston Traveler and should boot into the installer. It does. We go to next, install now. Accept the license, custom install, load driver, browse. Come on, there we go. Drivers, production, Windows, that number, drivers, VMD. That's the last one. Hit OK. And click next. And delete all these partitions. I didn't want to do that yet. Okay, I deleted all the other partitions and we click next. And it looks like we're installing. And I'll get back to you when something comes up. Alright, it's less than 10 minutes in. This is rebooted twice. And now it's starting to get into the questions. Country, region, United States, yes. US keyboard, yes. Skip. Second layout. Connect to your network. Now we got a problem. It's not allowing me to continue, and it can't find and this don't have any other way to get on. So this does not have the correct Wi-Fi driver. Well, okay, that took me a hot minute. What I had to do was go on Intel's website and download the software package for the Wi-Fi adapter that's in here. After that, I had to put it on a USB drive. The whole package. I put it in here and had to go to Intel's website. What it tells you to do is hit Shift and then F10 to get into the command prompt. That's not the whole thing. I had to find that also. So it's Shift Function and F10 brings up your command prompt. From there, I had to open up Task Manager and shut down the Wi-Fi control flow software, and it took me a while to figure out that I could load from this from the command prompt. But I changed the name of the driver so I didn't have to type in a long mess of stuff. Ran this inside of the Windows installer, and now it let me get the network adapter working. So let me put in my password. I'll get back with you in just a second. All right, now we're connected. Let's see what happens next. What other roadblocks can we find while we're installing Windows? And let me let her run and I'll get back with you. Okay, this is saying name your device. I'm going to just name it Jim Ham like I've been putting on here. And now it lets me continue. All right, now we're up to, looks like getting ready to log into my Microsoft account. And that's what it is. At least this is giving me the option. And let me go ahead and sign in here. Like I say, I don't mind signing in. I just want the choice. And let me sign in and we'll see what's next. Okay, we're signed in now. And yes, it sees me. Restore for me. Do what now? More options. Set up as new PC. Create a pin. Let me get back with you. And that part's done, just like we did the first time. Now, privacy settings. Location, no. Find my device, no. No. And no. 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 And customize your experience. Entertainment. Accept. Use your Android. Skip. Not now. Decline. Decline. That was Microsoft 365 in the cloud. Checking for updates and, well, hello. Yeah, finally. Alright, I'll get back with you once this gets to going again. Okay, it appears like we might be done. And we are. So, the only thing left is to debloat Windows. Now I don't have to debloat the Dell stuff. Download the Dell or the drivers from Dell, and that should be it. Oh, when I went into what else? If I grab the right mouse, the Intel website, they were telling me to download the files, the INF files, and install them onto, let me see, Shift F10 to get into the command prompt. Type in disk part, get the volume, and go back to the command prompt and type PNP util space add driver space, looks like D colon if that was supposed to be the drive, backslash star.inf to load the driver in there. I couldn't get it to do that. So I had to figure out my own way to get this thing to install the drivers onto the laptop. Now that that's done, so now I've got my laptop with the fresh operating system. Let me see, does it show? Not yet. So if you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. And have a nice day.